Article 725.134 of the 2023 National Electrical Code permits Class 2 circuit wiring to be installed in auxiliary gutters and other suitable raceways that are designed and installed to protect the wiring from physical damage. When installing 24-volt lines from a transformer under flooring for radiant floor heat, the flooring materials, such as wood or tile, provide adequate protection for the 24-volt lines, making it suitable to install them under the flooring. However, there are additional requirements to consider for a compliant and safe installation. Firstly, the 24-volt lines must be properly jacketed or sheathed to protect them from moisture and physical damage. Secondly, the lines should be secured in place to prevent movement and potential damage over time. Thirdly, the location of the lines should be clearly marked on the flooring itself or documented in the building plans for future reference, which may be necessary for maintenance or modifications. Class 2 circuits are low-voltage circuits with limited power, specified as less than 100 volt amps, and are typically used for control, signaling, and communication purposes. They are not intended for use as power circuits for appliances or equipment. These circuits are inherently safer due to their limited energy capacity, reducing the risk of electrical shock and fire. It is important to note that the 120 volt amp limit mentioned in the original description refers to the maximum load that can be connected to a single 24 volt line in the specific application. The transformer used in the radiant floor heating system must be properly sized to handle the total load of all connected lines. Exceeding the transformer's capacity can lead to overheating, voltage drops, and potential failures. It's imperative to observe all applicable building codes and manufacturer's instructions for the complete installation of radiant floor heat systems. These guidelines provide detailed information on proper installation techniques, safety precautions, and material specifications, ensuring a safe and efficient system. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and local building codes for the most up-to-date requirements. If there is any doubt or complexity arises, it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector.